Hey, welcome back. We got the Mercury Mountaineer all-wheel drive 2004 4.0 liter engine. This is how you open the hood, by the way. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Do you have any comment? Put it in the comment box. I will appreciate it. Thank you for sharing. If you didn't subscribe, hit that button. Hit the like button also. Alright, love you all. And we're gonna do the oil change in this vehicle. I wanna show you how to do it right. Alright, let's get it. Okay, there's not much science doing this. So this is the oil cap. It takes 520, 5W20, 5W30. My bad, 5W30, and it's going to take 5.5 quarts of 5W30. That's the oil dipstick, 4.0 liter engine. Like I told you before, we're going to lift the vehicle. We're going to locate the oil drain plug, which is right there. This one right here, and the oil filter is right next to it. Okay, that one right there. So of course, before you open or remove the oil drain plug, make sure the engine is not hot, because if the engine is hot, the oil is hot. The oil is hot, you're gonna get hot. You feel me? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm doing? Alright then, we drain all the oil. Put the oil drain plug back, tight it, snug it. Now we're gonna get to the oil filter. Be careful when you remove the oil filter. Clean where the oil filter sits. Make sure the gasket is in the oil filter, because if it happened before, you remove the oil filter and the gasket is still stick to the where it sits, the oil filter housing. It sticks there, and then when you put the new one, you put the new oil, start the car, you make a mess because the oil leak through it. Okay, so be careful with that. Bring the vehicle down. We put the oil. Remember, 5W30. We're gonna pour 5.5 quarts, 5.5 quarts. Check the dipstick. It's all good. Now we put the dipstick back, and that's pretty much it. Now you just learn how to do the oil change in this 2004 Mercury Mountaineer. Alright, 4.0 liter engine. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe if you didn't, and if you subscribe, I appreciate it. If you have any comments, put it in the comment box. I need that feedback, please. Anything you know, anything you have to tell me, I need to know that. Alright, any idea, any experience related to this vehicle, put it in the comment box, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day, take care, be well.